story of the girl who lived in the house on the river.
You won't catch anything. You haven't got any bait on your line. I know you know. I'm saying you won't catch any fish. I know. I've decided it's cruel. Oh, do you want me to stop? It's your choice. But I like fishing.